Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log out in Google account. So let's get started. So if you want to log out in your Google account, what you can do is just open up your Gmail application. After opening up your Gmail application, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, then scroll down. Here you can find settings option. Just tap on settings, and after tapping on settings, now you can tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now you can find manage accounts option. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, now what you can do is just select the account that you would like to delete. So just select the account, and after selecting the account, now what you can do is just tap on remove account, and then again tap on remove account, and by doing so you will successfully remove your account. That means you will successfully log out from your Google account. So that's it guys, this is how to log out in your Google account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.